And hello there, Gundam fans and folks, this is Mixerwars and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now what we have here is the Infinite Justice Gundam Type 2, an HGCE or HG Cosmic Era kit from the movie Gundam Seed Freedom. Yes, and here we see in the box art, it's full glory here, full Atron Zala mode actually. Yeah, you see Infinite Justice Gundam Type 2, still the same mobile suit but with a different backpack. So off to the side, we see, of course, again, it boasts the seed action system with the neck, the body, the shoulder articulation, and of course some gimmicks that you can do with him. Hear him with the backpack, and of course, yes, the knee joints here. The leg parts can be moved in a different axis, making new poses with it. And yes, it's a patent pending from Japan. And off to the other side, we see Type 2 here, front and back, and of course the story of the movie. And let's go opening up and see what's inside the box of the new mobile suit of Atron Zala. And first off, we are greeted with one bag with the same color, or the same color of Infinite Justice, carried over from 80s. That's one sprue here, 3 sprues actually, one white and some silver parts there. Silver sprue, I mean. Another bag with one sprue of the same color and some light gray for the backpack, the new backpack actually. Another sprue, effect parts, silver, dark gray. Another bag with a wire here, some multicolored sprue here with some silver and gray. Last bag here has one sprue of saber effect parts. The whole sprue here of light gray is the backpack itself, and a multicolored sprue. And lastly, we see the instruction manual, which is actually the same as Rising Freedom and Mighty Strike Freedom. It's an open book type. And here we see Atron Zala. We see here Infinite Justice Gundam Type 2, and surprise, surprise, no, they are not from Compass, but they are from Terminal. Yep. So it seems like Atron Zala is under Terminal, and this group is actually, spoiler alert, is dealing with much more espionage stuff. So let's take a look individually at the sprues. First off, we have the A sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue. We see some silver parts, some black parts, clear saber effect parts here, and some fuchsia pink kind of color here. So that's the A1, and it comes with an A2 actually. A2 is also a multicolored sprue with some black, yellow, clear green, and some silver parts here. And of course, we have a B1 sprue here, which is of course the pinkish color of the Infinite Justice, or for the Justice, or rather the Atron Zala mobile suits here. So this is a B1, which also actually has a B2 of the same color here. And then we have a C sprue, which is all white, and a D1 sprue here, which is dark gray for the inner parts, I guess, and a D2 for some weapons and other parts of the backpack, I guess. Then we have an E1 here, which is all silver parts. So Mighty Strike is all gold, and Infinite Justice Spec 2 is all silver. And of course, with an E1, we have an E2 here, which is all silver as well. We also have an F1 sprue, which is a light gray, and more parts, or rather most of these parts, is for the backpack, the new backpack. And we have an F2, more parts for that backpack, We also have an H1 Wait, sorry, not that one, it's this one, the H1, which is more of a saber effect parts, you know, for the feet, the wings, the horn, the sabers, and H2 for the shield parts. We also have a wire here because it has that gimmick, and of course a very small sticker sheet, which means an improved part separation colors there. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the Infinite Justice Gundam Type 2 from the movie Gundam Seed Freedom. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing your videos, commenting and liking them. And until next time, see you and thank you.